Can a team come back from 2-0 down with just 10 minutes left and win a FIFA World Cup knockout match? If you think the answer is no, then you haven't seen the incredible match featuring Leon Messi and Argentina. At one point, the defending world champion were on the verge of elimination. Egypt was just 10 minutes away from making history, but then Leon Messi stepped up in what followed stunned the entire football world. So, how did Argentina snatch victory from the jaws of defeat? Here, the full story. Right from the kickoff, Egypt made it clear they weren't just there to defend, they come to win. In the 15 minutes of the first half, Yasser Ibrahim scored a brilliant goal to give Egypt the lead. The score became 1-0, and the Argentina fans inside the stadium fell silent. Argentina responded with constant pressure. They dominated positions and created several chances, but Egypt defense stood like well. Then come a hug opportunity. Argentina was awarded a penalty and all eyes were on Leon Messi, but surprisingly Messi failed to convert the spot kick. At halftime, Egypt still led 1-0 and the pressure on Argentina continued to grow. The second half followed a similar pattern. In the 67th minutes, Mostafa Zeko scored another outstanding goal, doubling Egypt's lead to 2-0. At that moment is looked like one of the biggest upsets in FIFA World Cup history was about to happen. Argentina elimination seemed almost creation, while Egypt was on the brink of creating history. But true legend rise when their team needs them the most. Around the 80th minute, Leon Messi fired a stunning left-footed shot into the net, bringing Argentina back into the game. It was not just a goal, it completely changed the moment. The atmosphere inside the stadium transformed instantly. The pressure was no longer on Argentina, it had shifted to Egypt. Inspired by Messi's goal, Argentina launched was after wave of attack. Just before the end of normal time, Argentina found the equalizer to make it 2-2. A match that looked completely over had suddenly come alive again. But the biggest moment was still to come. Deep into stoppage time, Argentina earned on final chance. Inside the penalty area, Enzo Fernandez rose high hand powered a brilliant header into the back of the net. Argentina 3 to Egypt. As the final whistles blew, the stadium erupted in celebration. Argentina players embraced each other while the Egyptian players collapsed onto the pitch in her heartbreak. Victory had slipped away from the hands. With this domestic comeback, Argentina recorded their 11th consecutive FIFA World Cup victory and secured a place in the quarter-final. The match instantly became one of the greatest comebacks in World Cup history. Messi also scored his eighth goal of the tournament, moving back to the top of the Golden Boots race. France's Kylian Mbappe and Norway's Erling Haaland were both just behind him with 7 goals each. Argentina now hold a perfect 5-0 record in this World Cup and continues its march towards a second consecutive world title. The team dreams of becoming only the third nation after Italy and Brazil to win back-to-back FIFA World Cups. In the quarterfinal, Argentina will face Switzerland, who defeat Colombia 4-2. If Argentina continues to show the game's same fights, Split Messi's final World Cup could become another unforgettable chapter in football history. From 2-0 down to a thrilling 3-2 victory, this is exactly why football is called the world's most exciting sport. And when Lionel Messi is on the pitch, no result is over final until the last whistle. Goodbye. Me too. Next story.